How to enter Fiverr income on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you earned money from Fiverr, you must report it as self-employment income when filing your taxes on TurboTax. For that, you want to open up TurboTax and log into your account. Now, if you received a Form 1099 NEC from Fiverr, you want to go to Wages and Income. Then from here, select Self-Employment Income and Expenses. Now, you want to follow the on-screen prompts and answer these questions. Then select Form 1099 NEC and enter your Fiverr income as shown on the form. TurboTax will automatically add this to Schedule C. Now you want to deduct business expenses. As a freelancer, you can deduct expenses like Fiverr services, fees, software and tools, internet and phone bills. Once that is done, you have to pay self-employment taxes if you are a freelancer. Then TurboTax will calculate these taxes for you and suggest quarterly tax payment if it is needed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.